My name is Anas Gadwani. I'm professor of environmental engineering, and I have this little setup that I made myself, in fact, just yesterday, to get myself organized so I can engage with my students. Well, hello guys, so welcome and thank you all for joining this live broadcast for ecological engineering. And we're going to make sure that we interact as if we were in the classroom in eZone. Really excited about what the technology allows us to do. There's a lot more than I actually anticipated, and I think we can achieve the full engagement through this approach. I can see some of you have some interesting, backgrounds there. Whoever the cutest puppy or the cutest cat that you show me on camera, you will get a roll of toilet paper. I think what's really important to stress is that we're in all of this together. So please be kind to each other and be patient. Hey, Alan, can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me now? I think it's really important that we keep communicating and we keep connected, even if we have to practice social distancing. I think connection is another thing that we continue to have, and I think that's great.